So we're back with 90s packs opening, and we have two 94, 95 Fleer basketball cards again, and we have 1991 on 1990 and 1991 Skybox Series 2, and this is the Series 1. We'll open these first, then we'll open the 94 ones. Alright, let's start from the Series 1 first. Cut the card. Okay, what do you have? Horace Grant, Jeff Turner, Sean Elliott, Roy Tarpley, Tom Chambers, Checklist, Richard Anderson, James Edwards, Jeff Sanders, Buck Johnson, Alex English. Oh, another John Stockton. Okay, Jeff Rayer, Terry Porter, and Todd Murphy. No Jordans. Bad. Let's try this back. Armand Gillum, Xander Volkov, Lionel Simmons, Vern Fleming, Jersey Nets team card, Dave Hoppin, Tom Chambers, Bill Fitch. Oh, we got a David Robinson. Looks nice. Walter Davis, Paul Westhead, Charles Jones, another Stockton. This one looks good. Bullets, team card, and Sam Vincent. Last one, hopefully you can score a Jordan on this one. Hopefully. Fred Roberts, Charlotte Hornets card, Stan Bennett, Steve Alford, Chris Jackson, John Concact, LA Lakers card. Alright. Harry Grant, Mike Dunleavy. Oh, he got my first Magic Johnson. Nice. Didn't have one. William Tisdale, Gene Littles, Mythical Thompson, and this is rookie year now. Oh, no Jordan on that one. It's okay. Try the 94, 95 Fleer. Yeah, it's sticky. Joe Klein. Nice, we got Carmelo. Base card Carmelo. Ed Johnson. D. Mayberry. Daniel Simmons. Jeff Hornacek. Doug Christie. Bobby Hurley, Spud Webb. Oh, we got the insert. Nice! We got a David Robinson insert. Triple threat. It's a really nice card. 3 pictures of him. Dale Davis, Michael Cage, Sam Cassell, Eldon Campbell, Dino Roger, Thor Bailey, Sean Brooks, and Xavier Dan. Alright, we got a triple threat David Robinson, that's nice. Last pack of the day. Dale Ellis, so this one's not sticking so bad. Dale Curry, AC Green, Chris Mills, Antoine Core, J.R. Reed, Percy Hawkins, Kevin Johnson, Glenn Rice. Oh, nice. We got a Patrick Ewing base card. Nice. And we got a insert Dennis Rodman. That's very nice. Very nice. Elmore Spencer, Lindsey Hunter, Marielli, Kevin Edwards, Williams, Clifford Robinson, Ronnie Skilly, Luke Longley, and Don McLean. So that's it. Just a recap. This is Dennis Rodman, very nice. E-Ring. Thread for David Robinson, Carmelo. This one, I've been wanting one of these. Magic Johnson, team cards, John Stockton, David Robinson. Alright, see you next time.